876 Streets is powered by
Massive Auto Parts. Quality parts and cars at unbeatable prices.
Swift Team Services. Your freight, our priority.
Jeffrey Constructions Limited. It's all in the name.
Everyone, we have Mr. Gordon Truck here, and he's the one that is driving the Sam Isaac and the Sons Limited black vehicle. What type of vehicle is it, by the way?
Corvette.
A Corvette.
Well, right now we're running, it's a nitrous setup. We just changed, so we had a small block, supercharged and nitrous.
Awesome. I realize the setup is a bit different from the last time.
Last time was nitrous.
Only nitrous.
Only nitrous, yeah.
So this meat.
Last time was two-stage nitrous. This stage is two-stage nitrous with boost.
With boost.
Yeah.
And what was the time the last time?
9.4.
9.4.
Yeah.
Boy, look like you guys gunning for the 8s.
Change now to a big block nitrous. But today we're just testing anyway, which is just motor, no nitrous here. So we're just trying to get that tuned in.
How long have you been racing?
Not that long. I started when Kenty started at Jam West. That was, I think, 2018.
How was the performance of the vehicle today?
We did well. I mean, our airfare was a bit off. That's the air fuel mix. It was a bit off, so we had to change from jetting. So we're better now, so we're ready for November.
Okay, nice. And apart from running the vehicle nitrous, any other specific modifications you did to the vehicle?
No, we just shoved that big engine into a small space.
Oh my God! Wow!
We got it done.
Were there any surprises, or did the vehicle perform how you anticipated it to?
Pretty much. I mean, it's a whole different setup, so it's a whole different animal, you know? So we have to rewrite the whole rules. We have to start from scratch, basically. Happy for the test and tour, and looking forward to November.
Okay, and what can you say to any racer that, you know, decides that they're not doing any test and tune, they're just coming to run on race day?
Well, some just have it dialed in already and they don't really need the testing, but this testing is always good because you get a chance to make adjustments before race day. Race day is pressure. Race day you can't make any mistakes. Test day you can make mistakes and correct them, so that on race day don't make any mistakes. So.
Yeah, and you mitigate any issues you may have before race day. What would you say to any aspiring racers?
Come on, race. It doesn't matter the time, it doesn't matter the type of vehicle you have. You know, whatever time you're running, you just try to get the best out of the vehicle that you can. So, yeah, for the love of the sport, you come out and race. Drag racing is my sport. I work and I work very hard. I work 7 days a week. So this is my breath of fresh air.
Yeah.
Anything outside of work, this is my enjoyment.
And has that passion changed over a period of time?
It's more and more, just going bigger and bigger. If I run, the aim is to get a little better. If it's even 1,000th of a second better, just to get another personal best. That is what keeps me going.
And how supportive is your team, your family?
Yeah, man, everybody knows my passion for it. So I have a good team, family support. And I hope everybody comes out, you know, racing will be spectacular in November, so make sure you come out to Kent's event.
Anybody want to big up your family, your team?
Everybody, team, family, racing, fraternity, everybody. And Dean Shaw, you know, he passed recently, so shout out to in his honor, and he's, you know, will carry on racing and support his family.
Yeah, may his soul rest in peace. Alright, well, all the best to you, Mr. Chuck. Alright, have a good one.
Thank you for watching another video production of 876 Streets. Subscribing to our channel definitely means a lot to us. Thanks for your continuous support.